A very good morning, student. Yesterday we are learned about reasons, 6 reasons and 1 distance between. I hope you all studied this. Today we are going to learn about second distance between and third one and answer in brief. The first one, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. What is the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats? The answer, first one, Western Ghats. They are run parallel to the Western Ghats and form the western boundary of the Deccan Plateau. They run parallel to the Western Ghats and form the western boundary of Deccan Plateau. They run parallel to the Eastern Ghats from the eastern boundary of Deccan Plateau. They run parallel to the Eastern Ghats and form the eastern boundary of Deccan Plateau. They are continuous and can be crossed only through the passes like Palghat, Dalghat and Borghat. What is that? Palghat and Dalghat and Borghat. These are more discontinuous and irregular. The highest peak of this region is Anaimudi, which is a height 2659 meter. What is the Anaimudi, which is a height of 2659 meter. The highest peak of this region is Magendragiri. What is the Magendragiri, with the highest of 1051 meter. These Ghats are higher and their average height is 900 to 1600 meters. These Ghats are lower than the Western Ghats with an average height of about 600 meter. They face in the rain bearing winds and causes what is the orographic rainfall. What is the orographic rainfall? It is almost parallel to monsoon wind originating from the Bay of Bengal and does not cause much rainfall. Understood you all? Yes. Third one, Himadri and Himachal. What is the Himadri and Himachal? Himadri, the northernmost range, is known as the Great or Inner Himalayas or the Himadri. What is the name? Himadri. This is the below Himadri is most rugged mountain system and is known as Himachala or another Lesser Himalayas. Himachal or Lesser Himalayas. It is the most continuous range consisting of the loftiest peaks like the average height of 6,000 meters. 6,000 meters. The ranges are mainly composed of highly compressed and altered rocks. What is the altered rocks? It contains all the prominent Himalayan peaks. Mount Everest, how many is the height? How many meter height? 8,848 meter. And Kanchenjunga 8,586 meter. And Pir Panchal range forms the longest and most important range. The Dauladhar and another Mahabharat ranges are also prominent ones. The core of this part of the Himalaya is composed of what is that? Granite. What is that? Granite. This ranges is consist of famous valley of Kashmir, the Gangra and Kulu Valley in Himachal Pradesh. Kulu Valley in Himachal Pradesh. It is supposedly snow bound and the number of the glaciers descend from this range. This region is well known for it is a hill station. Understood? Next we are going to see about answering brief. First one, name the neighboring countries of India. The answer, India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan in the west, Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries, namely what is it? Sri Lanka and Maldives. What is the Maldives? Second question, give the importance of the IST. The longitudinal extent of India between the west and the east is about 30 degrees from the Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. The longitudinal difference make the difference nearly 2 hours in local time between Gujarat in the west and Arunachal Pradesh in east. In order to avoid the time difference between the places, IST is calculated. The Indian Standard Time is calculated based on 82 degree 30 in east longitude. Next question, write a short note on Deccan Plateau. The first point, the Deccan Plateau is triangular landmass that lies in the south of the river Narmada. What is the river? Narmada. This is the largest physiographic division of our country. It covers an area about how many kilometers? 16 lakh square kilometer. About half of the total area of country. It is an old rocky plateau region. The topography consists of the series of plateaus and hill ranges interspersed with the river valleys. It is higher in the west and slopes gently. What is that? Eastwards. The western coasts and the eastern coasts, mark the western and eastern edges of the Deccan Plateau respectively. Aravalli Hills mark the northwestern boundary of Plateau region. What is the Aravalli Hills? Mark the northwestern boundary of the Plateau region. In the northern and northeastern boundaries are marked by the Bundelkhand upland, Kaimur and Rajmahal Hills. What is the Kaimur and Rajmahal Hills? One of the distinct features of the peninsular plateau is the black soil area. What is the black soil area known as Deccan Trap? This is of the volcanic region, hence the rocks are igneous. These rocks have denuded over time and are responsible for the formation of black soil. So you all read these two distances between and 3 answer in brief. Understood, student? Thank you.